Mga igsoon, kumusta? Gisimba ba sa mga Katoliko ang larawan ingon nga Dios? Ang tubag, wala. Sumala pa sa Catechism of the Catholic Church, paragraph 2132, mao kini ang atong mabasa. The Christian veneration of images is not contrary to the first commandment which prescribes idols. Indeed, the honor rendered to an image passes to its prototype, and whoever venerates an image venerates the person portrayed in it. The honor paid to sacred images is a respectful veneration, not the adoration due to God alone. Religious worship is not directed to images in themselves, considered as mere things, but under their distinctive aspect as images leading us on to God incarnate. The movement toward the image does not terminate in it as image, but tends toward that whose image it is. Busa klaro tinamo igsuon nga ang gipasidunggan sa mga Katoliko pinaagi sa mga imahe mao kadtong gilarawanan, dili ang larawan gayon. Apan panwala nato kini gisimba ingon nga Dios. May the Almighty God bless us all.